Happy birthday.
And good morning. Yes, it is my birthday. Thank you for my bacon maple syrup pancakes this morning. They were beautiful.
Happy birthday. What's that?
We're in Bundaberg now. So I have a feeling, I know what have you organised for me today?
We're doing the Bundaberg Rum Distillery tour.
Super keen.
Yes.
Super keen. That should be really, really good fun. And seeing as it's already the middle of the day, because slow start, not doing much, is that soon?
Yes.
Like now, soon?
Yes. We're gonna get going.
Bye. Good morning.
Morning.
Bit of a slow start today. Bundy tour yesterday was really, really good. I enjoyed it. It was a good birthday present, thank you.
That's right.
Jess is going to tell us about the prices because I have no idea she booked it.
Well, it was $30 per adult. That's it.
Tour goes for about an hour. Once you go through the museum, you're not actually allowed to take your phone, your camera, your watches, keys, anything like that through the factory because of explosion risks. Then you get tastings at the end of it. So the tastings range about $10 anyway. So you pay $30 an adult and you get $20 worth of tastings at the end. So it's price point really good.
Yeah.
But yeah, slow start. Had a few extras after that. Jess is cooking up some breakfast. We got bacon, eggs, spaghetti. And then it's off for a day of adventuring around Bundaberg and surrounding area. So I'll show you whatever it is that we find because I've no idea at the moment. Hey Jess.
Yeah.
Where's our first stop for the day?
Chocolate shop.
Shock horror. We're going straight to a chocolate shop. Enjoy.
I will.
Sure. How's it going?
Good.
Found anything you want?
Not yet.
Bit overwhelmed?
Yes. It's a lot of stuff.
Stop number 2, Jess.
Yes.
Where's this one?
Bagara berries.
Agara berries. What are we getting from here?
Whatever I want.
I got nothing for that. Fair enough.
Whatever they have.
After multiple little stop-offs to get chocolate and fruit and all sorts of things. Yeah, that last one was just a little roadside stall. We're a sucker for those.
Yeah.
Always got the best produce. But now, as you can see by the background, we're down the beach at a place called
Elliot Heads.
I'm just giving up on names because I'm useless.
Not useless.
But there's apparently some rock pools around here. So yeah, we're just going to have a picnic and go for a swim and enjoy and do nothing.
Yeah.
Get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound. Hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
was a lovely little picnic.
Was.
Beautiful spot for a swim too. So yeah, it's on Wiki Camps. You'll find it on there. Wow, where are we? Elliot Heads. It's called Where the River Meets the Sea or something like that, I think. And then we went and found the rock pools. Had a bit of a float around in there, which was lovely. And now we're going to go find some more food. Ice cream this time. For little Missy. Yeah, I'll probably have one too.
Yeah.
Alright, where are we?
Tina berries.
Tina berries. And you've got...
Strawberry.
I got dragon fruit and lime. So we'll see how these are.
Mine's yum. Like a little kid.
Do you want to taste the dragon fruit and lime?
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you too.
Really, really tasty ice cream.
Yeah, especially when it lands in your nose.
Did you know that Bundaberg isn't the only distillery in town? Turns
Well,
out
I
there's
figured.
another one.
Is that really?
Yeah, but they do gin as well. So
Ah, nice.
might go taste some gins. Something for me rather than just food for you constantly. Quick 15-minute drive down the road. Next stop is a distillery. So we're going to stop in at this place. It's just a gin and rum distillery. Should be good.
Yeah. For you.
For me.
I'll probably be driving again.
Well, this place here, Kalki Moon, if you're ever in Bundy, definitely worth checking out. We didn't taste their rums this time, just the gins. So, shock horror, we bought one. Now we're going to go back to camp and we will show you / tell you where we're staying.
Yes.
Because it's only a low cost camp too, $10 a night. It's great.
It's good.
Alright, we are back at camp. We're actually staying in a low cost place called Wiper Scout Camp. It's about 15 k's out of Bundaberg itself, which is fantastic. So nice and quiet, big huge area to camp. There's toilets, there's showers, there's all that sort of gear. And I mean, seriously, for $10 a night, you can't complain. As for tonight, we're probably just gonna cook up something to eat. I don't know what we got. Jess is on that. Go to bed, get up and do something special tomorrow, but I've no idea what it is. So see you tomorrow. Alright, it's the next morning and I don't think either of us have any plans on doing anything special today.
No.
It's just going to be an easy day of pretty much nothing. Anyways, make sure you stay tuned and find out wherever it is we end up in the next video, because we don't know.
Nope.
As always, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe and leave a comment. Cheers guys.
Bye.